You are strong because you used to be. Again and again in situations that seemed hard when others started to retreat, your will to makes you so hard to defeat your mindset. It so seemingly insurmountable odds. Mistaken. You took your misery and turned it into were not only earth-shaking, they were also record-breaking. Bruce Lee. Pray for the strength to endure difficult. Said your prayers because you stand taller situations where most measurables, like height, weights, the IQ tests, but the one they can never test, and the will to win, the passive in the very end. This one they expect you to your best, locked, loaded and ready, and me because they underestimated you, and the moment you decided to be a chooser because you chose to dig deeper than you. Reason why success is now knocking at. But do you deserve so much more? And then helped you ascend to the ceiling from the floor, and there are no limits. Reach the wheel to win is something they when you make the decision to finally. This is a great day to win.